Namaste and welcome to Dog for Fitness. Chronic nonspecific neck pain is a very common cause of neck pain and sometimes headaches too. Causes of chronic nonspecific neck pain are generally sprain, strain, or degenerative joint disease of the neck or spondylosis. In this video, we will show exercises for chronic nonspecific neck pain. Please see your doctor to be evaluated for other causes of neck pain before you start these exercises. When done consistently, these exercises are shown to improve neck pain and disability because of pain. A series of 10 exercises are shown here, and they include stabilization exercises for the neck muscles, strengthening and stretching exercises. Please note that just range of motion exercises are not effective in reducing neck pain. Chin tuck exercises are the most important exercises for chronic nonspecific neck pain. It's a stabilization exercise for the neck muscles. So first we will show you chin tuck exercise in the lying down position. For this, you will lie comfortably down on a floor or a comfortable bed and roll up a towel and keep it on the lower part of your head or upper part of your neck. Then you will gently look down towards your feet, bringing your chin to your chest. You will hold it in this position to a count of 5 to 10 and then bring it back to the neutral position and repeat it 10 times. Next, we will learn how to do the chin tuck exercise in the sitting or standing position. You will keep your hand as shown in the video, gently touching your nose just as a reference point without moving your hand during this exercise. Then you will retract your neck backwards away from the nose without bending it. You will hold it in this position to a count of 5 to 10 and then relax it and then repeat it 10 times. While during doing this exercise, some of you may find yourself having a double chin, which is just fine. The next exercise is an isometric neck flexion exercise. Flexion means that your head will try to bend forward in this exercise. So this is a strengthening exercise for the neck muscles. Keeping your hand on the forehead as shown in the video, try to bend your neck forward in this video. While doing this, your hand will try to resist it. In this position, keep to a count of 5 to 10 and then come back to a relaxed position and repeat it 10 times. In this battle between your hand and your head, neither should win. That means that your head should be stationary while trying to bend. The next exercise is isometric neck extension exercise, which is also a strengthening exercise. Extension means your head will try to move backwards in this exercise. So keep your hand or both your hands on the lower part of the back of your head and then try to bend your head backwards while resisting it with your hand or hands. Keep it in this position to a count of 5 to 10, then relax and come back to a neutral position and repeat it 10 times. Again, I'm going to repeat this. During this battle between your hand and your head, neither should win. That means they should not be moving either forwards or backwards, but they should be straight. The next exercise is also strengthening exercise. It is isometric side bending exercise. So keep your hand as shown in the picture on the left side of your head and then try to bend your head to the left while your hand is trying to resist it. Keep it in this position to a count of 5 to 10 and then gently relax and bring it to a neutral position. Repeat it 10 times. Again, neither your hand nor your head should win in this battle. They should both be neutral while you're trying to do this strengthening exercise. So we'll repeat the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to bend to the right. Keep your hand as shown on the right side of your head and then try to bend your head to the right while your hand is trying to resist it. Keep it in this position to a count of 5 to 10 and then relax and come to a neutral position and repeat this 10 times. So your neck should not be seen bending towards one way or the other. It should be in a neutral position. The head or the hand should not win. Isometric neck rotational exercise to the left. So this is also a strengthening exercise for the neck muscles. You will keep your hand at the left corner of your forehead. Then your head will try to turn towards the left while your hand is trying to resist this movement. Keep it in this position to a count of 5 to 10 and then relax and bring your head and neck to a neutral position and repeat it 10 times. Again, in this battle between your hand and your head, neither your head nor your hand should win. Now we will do isometric right side rotational exercise. So for this, you will keep your hand on the right corner of your forehead, and then you will try to rotate or turn your head towards the right while your hand is trying to resist this movement of your head. You will keep in this position to a count of 5 to 10, and then relax and bring to a neutral position and repeat it 10 times. Again, neither your hand nor your head should win this battle. Dumbbell shoulder shrug. For this exercise, you will need a pair of dumbbells. Hold dumbbells of comfortable weight in both hands and stand up. Do not lean back or lean forward. If you're doing that, the dumbbells may not be too comfortable for you. Shrug your shoulders to a count of 5 to 10 and then gently relax them. Repeat the entire exercise 10 times. Next exercise is upper back stretch. For this, you will stand with both of your hands together in a clasped position in front of you. Then you will stretch your back by gently bending your upper back as shown in the picture. Hold it for a count of 5 to 10 and then relax, straighten your back, and then repeat the entire exercise 10 times. The next exercise is a stretching exercise. It is ear to shoulder stretch. So let's first demonstrate it on the right side. Stand comfortably and then bend your head to the right. So your right ear should be bending towards your right shoulder. So you should feel the stretch on the other side. Hold it in this position to a count of 5 to 10. Come back with your head straight and then repeat it 10 times. Ear to shoulder stretch left side. This is a repetition of what we did on the right side, but we're going to do this on the left side. So standing comfortably, bend your head, bringing the left ear to the left shoulder towards it. So stretch it as much as you can and then hold to a count of 5 to 10. Relax and bring your head to the center position and then repeat this 10 times. Anytime you're stretching, do not stretch until it is painful. Stretch a little bit less than a painful range of motion. Pectoral stretch. For this, in a standing position, you will come close to a door. So you will need to hold on to the door frame for this exercise. With both your arms to the level of your chest, you will hold on to the frame on either side. Then you will gently lean forward so as to stretch your chest or your pectoral muscles. After a count of 5 to 10, you will come back to a neutral position. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Next exercise is prone shoulder lift shown in 3 positions. For this, you will lie comfortably on a floor with your face down. You will put a rolled up pillow under your forehead. You will first start with your hands down by the side of your hips with palm facing upwards. You will first squeeze your shoulder blades, and then you will lift your arms up in the air maybe to 2 to 4 inches. Hold it in this position to a count of 10 and bring it down. You will repeat this 10 times. The same exercise is done with your arms to the side. As shown, you will hold it in the air for 2 to 3 inches and then bring it down. The next position will be up by your ears in a diagonal or a straight position and hold it up. Each of these exercises, you will first squeeze the shoulder blades and then lift your hands up. Continue to breathe comfortably during this exercise. Thank you so much for watching this video for exercises for chronic non-specific neck pain. If you do like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and feel free to hit the bell icon. That way you can be alerted to other releases as well.